everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing amazing today. My name is TracEy and you're watching me here at TracEy Monster on YouTube. You can also find me at TracEy Monster Savings on Etsy, Payhip, and Instagram, where you'll find a ton of really super fun money savings challenges that will help those of you who are looking to add to your sinking funds, or for those of you who are looking to pay off debt, or for those of you who are looking to save money for that next big purchase that you have coming up in your life. But before I get started in today's video, I always like to start my videos off by saying thank you to each one of you for taking the time to click on that play button and giving me the opportunity to share these types of videos with you. So thank you so much for being here today, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube community. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this week's video, because I need to figure out how much I need to budget and save from this week's paycheck. So we are on week 3 for the month. We are also on week 3 for the year. And we are going to be working with the dates of January 8th through January 14th. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the very first savings challenge, as always, is the 52-week savings challenge, where I'm trying to save $1,378 for the year. And so since we are on week 3, the traditional way that I am saving this year, I need to save $3. So I am going to put an X through the jar, and then once I have my cash envelope binder, if you haven't seen that video, I just made a flip through video. If you'd like to check that out, I'll link you up here at the top of this video, and also down in the description. You can check that out to see all of the pages that I will be filling this year. But once I have week 3 filled, I will be finishing off that X to show that my 3rd week is then complete. All right, next savings challenge that we have here is the Cogs and Gears Savings Challenge board game. The last place that I landed was right here. So let's go ahead and roll 3 times. I'm going to use 1 die for each roll, and let's see how far we can get this time. Okay, so we have a 2. So we have 1 and 2. So I landed on a $5. So let's go ahead and write that back here. For week 3 was $5. And there we go. And then we have $66 inside of my cash envelope right now, plus 5. That is now $71 inside of my cash envelope at the end of this week. All right, let's go ahead and roll again. And we have 5 spaces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we landed, ooh, we're doing good on this game board today, or this month. I landed on another Steampunk girl, and so let's go ahead and save $20. So we'll write that down, $20. That's pretty exciting. I love that. So $71 plus $20, that now will bring me up to $91 inside of my cash envelope at the end of this week. All right, last and final roll for this week, and we have a 1. Okay, so we need to save $1 by rolling 1 die and getting 1 on the die. So we got 3 1s there. Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that down. $1. So $91 plus $1. That will bring us up to $92 at the end of this week. So now what we need to do is we need to figure out how much we actually need to save this week in order to get to the $92. So we have 20 plus 5, that's 25, and then plus $1, that is $26 that I'll need to budget and save from this week's paycheck using the Cogs and Gears Savings Challenge board game. Okay, next savings challenge that I have here is the 70s Savings Challenge. And on this one, I actually, the last 2 weeks that I played, I actually wanted to save a little lower because I wasn't really comfortable, but I think after saving for the last 2 weeks and seeing that I could have saved a little bit more with the challenges that I'm doing currently, I think for this week I am going to go ahead and save $100. I'm hoping that that doesn't kick me in the booty this week, but I think I am feeling comfortable with saving $100 for this week using the 70 savings challenge. All right, the next savings challenge that we have here is roll the dice. And so I'm going to roll 2 dice to see how much we need to save for this week. And we have a 4 and a 3. So that means that I need to save $7 this week. Same as last week. Awesome. Okay, well that was easy and painless. Okay, and then we have the Save the Change challenge. Just go ahead and move these over here. This is the change that I have for this week, so it's not very much, but I do have 25, 30, 35 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this over here and see where we're at. All right, so I need 2 more quarters to fill that cell, and then this with the 2 nickels completes that cell. So awesome. So I have, let's see, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2 in the quarters. Awesome. And then we have 25 cents for nickels, and then 60 cents for dimes, and then it looks like 16 cents for pennies. So awesome. Okay, so I said 35 cents, right? I think that's what I said. 35 cents this week I am saving towards the Save the Change challenge. Okay, let's see. Now we're going to go ahead and do the junk journal savings. And on this one, let's go ahead and get to our little game here. And so, let's see. So I need to roll 2 dice. So here are my 2 dice here. So 1 die will be this column, and then the second time that I roll, it will be for the rows. Okay, so let's go ahead and see where I land on the column. So we have 1. So I'm definitely going to be saving $5, but it's just a matter of which bubble will I be filling in. And it's going to be the 3. So it's going to be this one right here. So where is my marker? Let me put this back over here, and then we will go with green, just like this. So that's where I am going to save $5. And let's go ahead and write $5. I used washi tape on this, and I don't like the washi tape. It keeps lifting. Horrible tape. Okay, so Monday's date was, I believe, what was it? It was the 14th or 15th. Hey Siri, what was Monday's date?
It's Monday, January 22nd, 2024.
It was not. I think it was the 15th for week number 3. Okay, and then that was $5. Siri's all mixed up. She doesn't know what day is going on here. Okay, and then we have $30 plus $5. That is $35. All right, so, yeah, because it would have been 8 plus 7, that's 15, duh. Okay, so, it was the 15th on Monday. Okay. Durr! All right, so that was the junk journal savings, $5 for this week. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to write down all of my savings onto my tracker, so then I can figure out how much I need to put into my Steampunk Cogs and Gears album. So once I have this album filled, I will have $1,500 plus inside this album. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So with the junk journal, it was $5. All right, and then let's go ahead and get these challenges here. Save the Change was 35 cents. And then Roll the Dice was $7. And then the 70s was $100. And then Cogs and Gears board game was $26. Right here, 26. And then the 52-week savings challenge was $3. Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead and add all of these challenges up to see what I have so far. And then if it does not come to $170, then I will put the difference into my Steampunk Cogs and Gears challenge. So we have $3, $26, $7, $100, 35 cents, and then $5. So we have a total of $141.35. And then we are going to minus $170.35. 170.35. That is a balance of $29. So the $29 is how much I'll be putting inside of the Steampunk Cogs and Gears. So let's go ahead and get to the $20 right here. So we have 20, and then we're gonna get to the 5, which is here. So that's 25, and then 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then let me go ahead and write down here on my tracker or on my register. Week number 3, $29. And so before last week I had $102, which is how much I stuffed inside so far, plus 29. That will bring me up to $131 inside of my album at the end of this week. So, yay! It's coming along. So far, so good. Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and write that down. So that was $29. Okay, and so then that brought me up to $170.35. So let me go ahead and just double check, make sure that that is indeed what I have here. Okay, so $170.35, and that's how much I said I should have. So awesome. So that's how much I need to save and budget for from this week's paycheck. And now what I do is I get that total and I'm going to carry it over to this savings tracker, and I'm going to write it down for week 3. So $170.35. And then when we're done with the month, then I'll add all of those amounts up, and that will give me my grand total of how much I saved for the entire month of January. Once I have that amount, then I will carry it over to this savings tracker, and I will write that amount down here in January. Once I'm done doing that every single week and every single month, then at the end of 2024, then I'll add all of those amounts up from all of the months, and then that will give me my grand total of how much I saved for the entire month of 2024. So anyways, everybody, that is it for the day. I am actually looking for some savings challenges outside of my Etsy shop. So if you have any savings challenges that you would like to see me participate, I would love for you to link me up down in the comments down below and let me know. What I'm looking for is not necessarily a shop. What I'm looking for are the challenges. Because it just takes too much time to go into a shop and then to be like browsing around. So if there's one specifically that you would like me to save along with, then just link me up down in the comments, and then I can take a look at that specific challenge that you would like me to do. So anyways, everybody, like I said, that is it for the day. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And also, if you like the content on this channel, then please do not forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell. That way, whenever a new video goes up on this channel, then you will be given a notification. Also, if you are interested in adding to your savings challenges for your savings journey, then I'd absolutely love it if you would head on over to TracEy Monster Savings, either on Etsy or at payhip.com/TracEy Monster Savings, and take a look at those sites and see what kind of challenges are available. And I would love to be a part of your savings journey. So anyways, everybody, that is it for the day. Have a great day, a great rest of the day. I will be back with my budgeting video. And yeah, so stay safe out there. Enjoy, have fun, and happy savings. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.